Hey everyone, so let's do a check-in. Just get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Place a hand or two over your heart center. And just go into, draw your attention towards the heart center. And just listen deeply. Maybe you haven't been giving yourself the nurturing nourishment that you should be giving yourself. Maybe you haven't been loving on yourself very much, or just letting the outside world in a little too much, taking on others' energy or problems. Maybe there's things happening at work that are bothering you. Just pay attention to what it is that is coming through for you from your heart center. These hurtful things, anything that you may have been holding on to for too long, maybe things from the past that created an imbalance within your heart center. Just begin to release that. Just allow that to move out of the heart center because you no longer need it. Whatever has happened in the past, the hurts, the grief, the loss, it's already happened. Nothing can be done to change it. But all you can do is heal and change your perspective of it. And sometimes things happen where we don't know why they happen. If we can look at it from a different perspective, a new perspective of that we needed change in our lives. Or maybe we weren't treating ourselves very well. And it was a wake-up call for us to see where we can treat ourselves better. Now just give yourself that love, that nourishment. Really settle into the heart center and imagine a light expanding and growing in the heart center, a light that is healing and loving. And it provides nourishment. It's okay. You are loved and loving and lovable. You are enough. Hold this within your heart center as long as you like. And whenever you are ready, you can bring yourself out by slowly bringing your awareness back into the room, back into your body. But do not rush. Just allow this time for you. And thank you for being here. Namaste.